This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by slicing 500 g beef into 1/2-inch strips and pounding them thin so they cook fast and stay juicy. Once done, combine buttermilk, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and a crushed garlic clove and submerge the beef. This breaks down proteins and adds tang. While the beef soaks for about 1 hour, start heating neutral oil to 175 degrees 180 degrees C so it's ready for frying. Make sure oil reaches temp before the first piece hits the pan. You move straight into the critical coating. Pat strips dry so the flour adheres. Combine 1 cup flour with 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne, and a pinch of salt. Dredge each strip thoroughly. Next, dip in a beaten egg wash, then press into 1 cup panko for a crunchy double coat that resists sogginess. Once the oil is at 175 degrees 180 degrees C, fry 2 to 3 minutes per side until deep golden. You finish by draining fried beef on a wire rack for 2 to 3 minutes. Resting prevents steam from softening the crust. Once rested, toast buns lightly, spread a mayo and hot sauce mix, add lettuce and pickles for crunch, then place the hot beef strip so juices stay inside. Serve immediately for best texture. If the crust becomes soggy, reheat on a baking sheet at 200 degrees C for 2 to 3 minutes to revive crispness. That's the go-to troubleshooting tip to fix limp coating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.